Hello everyone, myself Dimple Verma, and this is the presentation of Task 3 of Web Development Internship at Let's Grow More. In this task, I had created a student result management system using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. So here is the home page where the students can see the results by entering their roll number and class. But as of now, if I try to find the result, then it shows record not found, as the admin did not yet enter the marks. This is the about section and this is the contact section. Here the student can ask his query and it will be sent to the admin. So I sent a message and it shows your message is sent to the admin. Now here is the admin login section. The username I had set as admin and the password is test. So I am logged into the admin dashboard and I can also log out from here using the logout link. Here you can see in messages by student, this was the message I had just sent from the contact section. As of now you can see that data of all students is empty as no information is added yet. From this link, the admin can add the student's record and its marks like I am going to show now. Now first step is complete and this in second step the admin will add the marks of the student. So here the data is inserted successfully. Now you can see that the data I had added is now available in the link data of all students. So this was the data I had just added. From here the admin can also update the student's mark. So if I search the student with class 7 and roll number 6, it shows the record I had just added and from here I can edit the record. So the data is updated successfully. Now as the admin had added the one student detail, now the student can see the result from the home page by entering his or her details. So the result here is calculated on the basis of marks added by the admin and student is declared as pass in this case. The admin can also delete the record of the student from here. So now the student's record is deleted. You can also see in the dashboard that data of student is empty, no record found. So I'm logging out. This is my PHP code, and these are some additional PHP files I had used in my code, and these are the CSS files I used for designing in my task. This image folder contains the images I used in my task, and these are the SQL files. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching.